Gentlemen, I'd like to take you through the steps I've taken to bring a Thai ladyboy friend of mine to Australia with the goal of avoiding problems with the law, given that my friend wants to work and earn money here. This video is mostly for my Australian viewers. Melbourne viewers will find it the most useful. Those of you in other highly developed countries may still find value in it, as I expect you too will have similar compliance requirements that you must fulfill. If your Thai friend is from Korat, expect the same expectations from her about working, as she will need the money and she can most likely earn a lot more money in your city than she can in Pattaya. Protect yourself. Here's how I did it. Number 1. Register a company with ASIC. 2. Register for the ASIC online portal. 3. Register a business name as a subsidiary to trade under your company name if you want your escort business to have a different name. 4. Register for an ABN. 5. Open a bank account under your company name. Choose a bank. 6. Register for online access to your bank account. 7. In Victoria, register with Business Licence Authority, Consumer Affairs Victoria, as an exempt sex work service provider to run a small owner-operated business. 8. Provide the Business Licence Authority, Consumer Affairs Victoria, Department of Justice, with the details of your Thai friend's name, date of birth, passport number, ID card number, photos of passport and ID card, and details that they may be working with you in the future as a sex worker. 9. Register as an employer of a working holiday maker with the Australian Tax Office. 10. Apply for a working holiday visa for your Thai friend. Fill in a huge amount of paperwork after registering for an IMMI account with the Immigration Department. 11. If you're a current employee of the Australian Public Service, formally ask permission from your manager in writing in order to run your business. A business you're only starting, remember, just in case your Thai friend turns to escort work. 12. Wait for permission in writing from your manager that you can run your business. 13. You're low on cash. Your Thai friend's unhappy, needs money. An argument ensures. The decision is made for her to turn to sex work. 14. Create a profile on escorts and babes and various other online websites advertising escort services. Display your SWA number as required by the Department of Justice. 15. Withhold 15% from every dollar your Thai friend earns up to $37,000 and provide the withheld money to the Australian Tax Department. 16. Create a payslip for your Thai friend. 17. Provide that payslip to your Thai friend. 18. Take your Thai friend's earnings, withhold tax, then pay your Thai friend via a wire transfer direct to their bank account in Bangkok, leaving the appropriate money or paper trail. 19. If you hold a security clearance, inform AGSFA, the Australian Government Security Vetting Agency, of your activities. You are now a registered escort or a sex worker. Fill in a change of circumstances form. That's form number SVA003. Receive a request for more information. Fill in more paperwork with as many details as possible about your Thai friend and her family. Submit yourself to undergoing another security check. Wake up to find questionable friend requests on Facebook from people you don't know, have never met, who look very suspicious, that you highly suspect are the spooks trying to get onto your Facebook friend list to extract more information about you. Check your security cameras. Strange people and vehicles are parked in the street at odd hours of the night. 20. Provide the Department of Justice with an annual statement of your escort business activities. 21. Ensure your Thai friend is providing safe sexual services to clients, does not work whilst infected with an STI, and complies with a whole host of other requirements too numerous to mention in this video. 22. Provide tax return for your escort business and for your Thai friend at the end of the financial year. I've probably missed something or other in that long list. Now, is it any wonder that so many people work in the illegal sex industry in Australia? Why there is a proliferation of illegal underground massage shops in Melbourne? Who in their right mind would even try to go through the above time-consuming, frustrating, irritating compliance processes in order to ensure a 100% legal business? The pretender, that's who. I'm taking every step imaginable and then some to ensure 100% compliance with the law, and what I'm doing is 100% legal here in the state of Victoria, as I must, because if I don't, I'll lose my day job. Just as importantly, this arrangement is about me being provided with regular sex whilst my ladyboy is able to earn money, which is what she really wants. Why should I put myself in a situation where I'm the sole man that she extracts money and resources from, when, with a whole lot of extra effort on my part, I can empower her to work and earn money from other men? Setting things up like this is a win-win for all parties. She earns the money that she needs, I get my sexual needs met, and the strong pimp hand of the Australian government earns its cut, which I suspect could be substantial. I suggest that you also do as much as you can to comply with the law, so that when problems crop up, which they will, when questions are asked, which they will be, when paperwork is demanded, you can be sure of that. You will have it and then some. No shit from your enemies will stick to you if you do everything by the book. You want to be at the point of going overboard, in fact, so that when you do get questioned, you bring out all the documents of your compliance, and then you say something like, "And here is what my ladyboy friend ate for dinner this evening. Here's a photo of her meal. This is the exact time that she ate it. Here's when she excused herself to go to the bathroom. Here is a spreadsheet of all her earnings. This is the tax I withheld. Here's a receipt from the tax office in regards to her tax return and her earnings. Here is her payslip. Here is the name of the compliance officer at the tax office who was at lunch at the time of my call. So here is her colleague Wendy's details, who assisted me on that call at such and such date and time," etc., etc., etc. A number of you have contacted me over the last few years with ideas of setting up similar situations for yourselves, but you've struggled due to the complexities of staying compliant and navigating the maze of government rules and regulations that you're subjected to. I remain most interested in working with those of you here in Australia and in Thailand to set up the appropriate links and business structures that enable us to develop profitable business interests in this industry. Please contact me if you too would like to be a part of my network. All the best, gentlemen. I'm the Pretender.